Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy 2-minute updo. To start, we're going to section out the front of the hair, so take the hair from the ear up on both sides of the head. Bring this round to the middle at the back and join it together with a clear elastic band. Divide the remaining hair in half and clip one half out of the way for later. Now all we're going to do is a simple 3-strand braid. So split the hair into 3 sections, cross the left strand over the middle and then the right strand over the middle. Repeat this until you get to the end and tie it off with a clear elastic band. Then just repeat this on the opposite side. Now we're just going to slip our fingers behind that section that we tied off at the beginning, and we're going to pass the right hand braid up and pull it through. Push this to the head and just secure in place with a bobby pin or two. And then if your hair's long enough, repeat this one more time. And then we're just going to repeat this on the left hand side. So pop your fingers behind the section, pass the braid up and pull it through and secure it to the head with a bobby pin. And then if your hair's long enough, repeat this one more time. Wrap those tail ends around a bobby pin and then just tuck them behind that bun to hide them out of the way, and repeat this on both sides. Apply some texture spray. I'll pop the one I've used in the description box below. All we're going to do is pinch and pull at every single section of those braids to make them nice and voluminous. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.